Printing complete. It's just now finishing up. The way that it works is it makes contact with a bed underneath, exposes some UV light through an LCD display, and that's how it creates its layers. I'm going to disconnect this and then pull this whole thing off. So use some spray alcohol here to get the resin off the back first. So I'm going to use this on the corner. Little part free is going in here. Okay, here we go. Let's get this curing. And the part's complete. The white powdery bits are places where the alcohol wasn't completely wiped off when I cured it.